The Hypoxy station has been designed to create physiological conditions within a controlled workstation environment. In vivo conditions are recreated to mimic the natural environment of your cells. The parameters of humidity, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and temperature are controlled and adjusted to the user's specifications, and the cells can be manipulated in situ without changing the incubation environment. Don Whitley Scientific has been manufacturing closed workstations since 1980. Hypoxygen has partnered with Don Whitley and have been selling these workstations in the United States and Canada since 1993. We work very close with the Don Whitley development team to devise new products and improve on current designs. Every square inch of the Hypoxy station bears witness to the attention we've paid to our users' requirements for precise, reliable, and robust atmosphere control.
Hypoxia workstations are used in almost any field of research that you can imagine. They are used in any lab that wants to be treating cells in a physiological manner. These workstations are used way below 5% in most cases, down to 0.1%, which workstations can achieve.
The chamber is made of 10 millimeter thick chloroform annealed acrylic, so the internal atmosphere is very reliably retained. No leaks means no fluctuations in user-defined gas concentrations and minimal gas consumption. The chamber is encased in an outer shell that allows us to accommodate many of our options, such as vacuum port for quick media changes, using external vacuum pump or a cable port. The front is easily removed by the user and replaced in 30 seconds without the need for tools. This makes thorough cleaning of the chamber very easy. It also allows the user to transfer larger samples or sizable equipment, such as inverted microscopes, in and out of the chamber. Our integrated oxygen monitoring is powered by an oxygen sensor that's located inside the chamber itself. This provides the most accurate measurement of the atmosphere, as the sensor is located within the temperature and humidity controlled environment. The response time of the oxygen sensor is also quicker than that of external oxygen sensors found on competitive systems. The Hypoxy station has true real-time feedback and highly accurate control of oxygen. The sensor is easily calibrated in place via simple instructions on the touchscreen and has a 2-year lifespan.
The oxygen sensor in the Hypoxy station is situated right inside the chamber itself. So the oxygen sensor is sampling the exact same atmosphere that the cell cultures are seeing, with respect to the humidity, with respect to the temperature, and of course the gases. We are not drawing samples out of the chamber and measuring them somewhere else where condensation can form because temperature gradients are generated. We are measuring in that exact same atmosphere.
Cells and culture materials are brought into the chamber through the rapid 12-liter transfer airlock. The airlock flush cycles in 1 minute, and the status of the cycling process is displayed on the touch screen. The airlock door opens at the touch of a button and slides back along the side of the workstation so that it doesn't interfere with the working space of the chamber. Another way to quickly access the chamber is through the 15-centimeter letterbox option, which allows the introduction of flasks and longer pipettes. All parameters are controlled and displayed via the 7-inch color touchscreen. Oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, chamber pressure, temperature, and humidity are easily monitored. Parameters are password protected to ensure that only authorized personnel have access. Users without the proper authentication level will be denied access when they attempt to change any parameters. The internal data is stored for 30 days and can be downloaded to a flash drive or accessed through a network connection via FTP. The remote access feature allows for monitoring and control of the Hypoxy station from anywhere an internet connection is available using your smartphone or tablet. This allows the user to view conditions and see alarms within the workstation without actually being in the lab. The HEPA filter option significantly improves air quality for the cell cultures. Internal filters specifically manufactured to the Hypoxy station specifications filter the entire atmosphere every 4 seconds or 15 times per minute. Cleanup time for particulates is much faster than the 20 minutes specified by the Cell Tissue Culture Directive. The air quality inside exceeds Class 3 according to ISO 14644-1, which is cleaner than any other workstation available. In cell culture research, there can be a tendency for media to evaporate. Moisture may need to be added to the atmosphere to maintain high levels of relative humidity. Trays of water can be placed in the workstation, but these take up space and there is always a risk of spillage. Our optional humidification system is an attractive alternative that allows for user-defined humidity levels to be set and maintained. It is a sophisticated device generating a fine plume of sterile steam that is introduced rapidly and efficiently into the workstation atmosphere as required.
Another thing I really like about it is the way that humidity is generated through sterile steam. And that just precludes any possibility that you would be creating contaminations.
Don Whitley Scientific has developed a unique workstation to accommodate a Seahorse Bioscience extracellular flux analyzer. One of the ingenious features enables the workstation to be linked to a Whitley H35 HEPA workstation via a tunnel that permits cells to be transferred from the H35 to the analyzer workstation without subjecting the cells to laboratory conditions. Our users trust us to accompany them through all stages of acquiring a workstation, from applying for the funds through installing the equipment and training new users. We provide excellent service after the sale, including regular maintenance contracts with service provided by our factory-trained service engineers. Thank you for your interest in the Hypoxy station. Please contact us or visit our website for more information.